Welcome back. Today I'm doing my son's favorite dish, lasagna. When he was little, he couldn't even say the word. He called it lasagna instead. Today I'm going to do a healthy twist and use zucchini instead of carb-heavy pasta. Let's see how this turns out.
I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon.
To start prepping this dish, I take the lasagna, slice off both ends and discard them, and carefully slice along its length. To make our meat sauce, I heat some oil in the bottom of a pan, add the onions, and cook until softened. Then I add my ground beef. I add the seasonings as I'm cooking the meat to make sure those seasonings really adhere to the ground beef. Cook until it's no longer pink and break apart as it cooks. I then add the tomato sauce, stirring it in and bring to a simmer over medium-high heat for about 10 minutes. To assemble my lasagna, I then arrange about 1/3 of the zucchini slices along the bottom of the baking dish. Then I evenly spread half of the meat sauce over the zucchini. And top with half of the mozzarella cheese. I repeat with another zucchini layer, another meat sauce layer, and a cheese layer. Now you may have noticed I used a secret ingredient that I have not mentioned. It is absolutely to die for. Comment below and I might tell you more. My dish is now prepared and ready for the oven. I bake it at 375 degrees. This is how it turned out. Zucchini lasagna. Now here's the thing, we never know how these little kitchen experiments are gonna turn out. I mean, obviously zucchini lasagna is gonna be good for you, but does it taste good? That is the test. That's the experiment, y'all. Let's see how this one turned out. I'm getting so much beautiful flavor. This dish is mouth-watering. Because this is my son's favorite dish, I've already let him try it. So yeah, I think it's delicious, but here's the kicker. He likes it too. So this one is a winner. For more cooking instructions and exact ingredient amounts, please check the detailed description below because I want you to try this one and let me know. For more tips, tricks, and recipes, go to inspirehealthyharmony.com and I'll see you there.
I came from the mud.